Welcome back. Dabolim Airport is heading for an annual maintenance closure. Maintenance work will be held for 4 days from 5th to 8th April. This has forced the airline companies to reschedule their flights.
The Indian Navy, which maintains the airstrip of Dabolim Airport, has announced that airport will be closed for all civil and military flying between 7 in the morning to 4 in the evening from 5th to 8th of April. Navy and the Airport Authority of India maintains that almost 25 to 35 flights have been rescheduled and necessary measures are taken to avoid inconvenience to the passengers. Authorities feel that the planned repairs is guarantee towards safe and efficient operations, especially during monsoons. A reporter from Vasco, Surendra Madkekar.
Autism Speaks, Light It Up Blue. World Autism Awareness Day was celebrated on Monday. Disha Charitable Trust Center for Special Children held an awareness rally in the capital city. The celebration aims to create awareness about autism among the people and help the children and adults suffering from the disorder to live a meaningful life ahead.
Autism is a disorder of neural development categorized by impaired social interaction and communication and repetitive behavior.
Most of the autistic children they want to be alone in one corner. They play in different way. They manipulate the toys, things in different way, not like a normal. If we give any toys, the child with normal plays in a nice way, and these children play in a different way.
We have a parent with us whose son is autistic. Let's see how he handles his child at home, because home is our first school. So, how you handle your child at home? What are the special efforts you have to put on your child?
Yeah, when he was younger, we had a lot of difficulty, like how to, he didn't know how to eat, so we teach him how to eat, and he didn't know when he was hungry, and there was a lot of foods that he wouldn't eat at all. No.
This is Aparna Gaundarkar with Avinash Joshi for Prudent Media.
Residents of Sukur are up in arms against the mobile tower proposed in their area. They are opposing the installation of the tower. Now they have demanded that the tower should be removed as fast as possible or they will agitate.
Locals at Sukur have opposed the installation of mobile tower in their area. They claim that they are not taken into consideration by the Panchayat. Locals suspect involvement of Sarpanch in this act. Moreover, this tower is installed in a temple area at Sukur, keeping the committee members of the temple in darkness.
आज देवळाच्या प्रांगणात हो असो विषय घडटा जेन्ना हांवें जेन्ना कमिटीक विचारलें अशें कशें काय म्हणून तर ते कमिटी म्हणलें आमी रिजायन जाल्ले आसा आमकां ह्या विशया खातीरूच आमी रिजायन जाल्लेले आसा आनी हो विशय आसा तो इलिगल आमकां कॉन्फिडन्सान घेवना म्हणून.
Locals have also submitted a memorandum to their Porvari MLA Rohan Conte. The agitated locals have now threatened to come on road if the tower is not removed as fast as possible.
एक महिनेभर पयलीं लोकांनी हांगा रिप्रेझेंटेशन दिल्लें की हो टावर काडचो म्हणून. टावर काडचो सरपंचान सांगलेलें आनी गेल्या ग्रामसभेक सरपंच जॉन पॉल वालीस हांणी सांगलेलें की हो टावर आमी काडटले म्हणून. तेन्ना आयज 15 दीस जाले आनी ग्रामसभा जावन 8 दीस जाले 8 दिसांनी काडटना अजून पर्यंत टावर काडप जावना. सरपंच हो टावराचेर कितें एक्शन घेवपाक कळना, कारण सरपंचूय भितर गुंतलेलो आसा. हो टावर काडचो अशें आमी सरकारा कडेन मागणी करता. आनी सरपंचान किंवा पंचायतीन हेजेर 8 दिसां जर एक्शन जाली ना जाल्यार आमी रस्त्यार येतले. आमी गव्हर्मेंटाक सांगूंक सोदता.
Our reporter from Sukur, Sham Sundar Fatte.
Residents of Gogol Madgaon have complained about the illegal dumping of construction waste across their complex. They claim that it has become a mini Sonsodo. The agitated locals have demanded strict action against the culprits.
Have a look at these heaps of dump. It consists of mud, unwanted construction waste and stones. Locals claim that this dumping is going on for the last 1 month and has resulted in dust pollution.
डंपिंगच सध्या इलिगल जालो आनी हें तुमकां दिसता सगळें डस्ट आमकां असो येता न्हू. ही सायडीक सगळें डस्ट वयता हिंगा. सगळी आमची ही सायडीक सगळे गाडी जावं कपडे जावं घाल सुकून घालपाक मेळना. आनी हो ऑलमोस्ट दुसरो सनसोडो जातलो हांगा. सो आतां पयलीं माती आशिल्ली, आतां तुमी हें पळोवपाक शकता सगळें RCC स्ट्रक्चर कोणे कोणे हाडून हांगा उडयल्या. ते लायम स्टोन्स सगळे धवो जो दिसता तो लायम स्टोन आसा ताजो धुल्लो सगळो येता.
They have complained to the Margaon police 1 month back. However, locals claim that they dump waste during the night time. They have demanded a strict vigil.
पुलिसांनी येवन त्या दिसा ऑन द स्पॉट जो जी गाडी आशिल्ली ताका धरूनय व्हेल्या. पूण हांगा कितें जाता, थोडे रातचे डंप करता, थोडे दिसाचे डंप करता. सो हाजेर कंट्रोल जावपा जाय.
A reporter from Margaon, Samir Bhatt.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.